Need slim fast, I can make mesh out your teeth. Put holes in it, get it, I'm on a roll with it. Counting paper like a scroll with it. Collecting money like a toe, green thumb like a troll flow. Cold North Pole with it. My clothes so vintage, I make hits like a tennis match. Fucking bitches, only time I ever finish last. In my shows, everybody put their hands up like a smart kid in chemistry class. Goddamn, it's too easy. I ain't stopping, no other option presented. Authentic with all these writtens, no really, this shit is simple. Too easy. I'ma go on tour, every show is doing numbers, cause futuristic is popping like a pimple. Too easy. I'ma take the girl with all them curves who got the smile on her face, accented with the too easy. Shout out to my ex-girl and that new dude making love to you, all gentle. Too easy. I know that you don't like that. Hit me up, I never write back. Hold my words on the right track, talk behind my back. Then one dap, I'll leave you hanging like a fucking tire on a bike rack. And I'm never getting sidetracked on the right path like I'm climbing up a hill. I ain't never falling off with this rap shit. Meanwhile, you looking like Jack in jail. Sheesh. This shit is too easy. I make it look easy. It's way too easy. This shit is too easy. I make it look easy. It's way too easy. This shit is too easy. I make it look easy. It's way too easy. This shit is too easy. I make it look easy. Easy like easy bake ovens. I'm the real thing, you easy E cousin. Easy does it, moving up like Wheezy, spit like Wheezy, act like Easy. He love himself. I'm a G, this easy, no pun intended. Futuristic speak so disgusting. VC's on